Oh, nah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, got a short one today. I'm on my way to the truck stop now with some water. Going to Homer. Probably like 45 miles away from New Orleans. Like 45 miles away. Going to Homer. Got this load for 600. So this is a short one. I ain't record last night when I went and picked it up. I should have, but I didn't. So this is gonna be a little short little video today. It's 5:40. Gotta be there before 7. Whatever, my appointment time is for 7. But if I be there, get there early, she'll take me early or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all when I, get to the truck stop and stuff like that. Get the truck warmed up and heading out. Hit it. Gonna start the truck up. Warm him up. So I can hurry up and go do this. Come back home, probably get another water, man. The water pretty good on the weekend, especially on the weekend. About to do my check. Holler back at y'all when we start rolling. Get into the receiver. Waiting on them to move so I can swing right there. Told me back in door 1. I came here before. I ain't know it was this, but I definitely came here before. Try to see. Oh yeah, because they got a pallet in door 3. That's slight. Got a bag in there. Go back to my truck because once they pull around, I probably could try to make it. I don't know. They're gonna be tight there. I know it's gonna be tight. Because do I see, all right, dude coming out now. So I'm gonna back up for him. We had to move. So let me start swinging around now. Whoa, what is happening? It's tight. Got that water. It was cool. That's what I like, man. They ain't put up no fight or nothing. It was easy, The other time, people be won't. Oh man, he could do it. He could do it. The water for Homer. Everybody think they know how to drive a truck better than the driver who drives the truck. How the hell like it? Just respect do and how we do it, man. Jesus Christ. It's not that hard. Let me see if I can back up for y'all while holding the camera at the same time. Let's see. Let's see. Gently place my trailer on the dock. Like that. I'm telling you, man. That's pure skills, bro. Pure skills. It's 7:17. Let's see how long it takes him to unload. But I'm in the dock. Well, I didn't get the time for y'all, but I think I got finished getting loaded at like 8 o'clock, something like that. And now it's 8:42. And I'm on my way back to the city. I booked another water, 500 going, I think 3 miles. Going from Ponchatoula to Robert, that's right down the street from each other. 3-4 miles or something like that for 500. Yeah, that water car, I told you that water car clutch on the weekends, dog. Yeah, man. But yeah, I told you it's a little light day. Something short, something easy, something simple. Yeah, that's it, man. I'll let y'all when I get back to the truck stop, man. When they get back to the truck stop, guess what? Crazy. They just do that anywhere, bro. Yeah, just like that, though. Made it back. Some truck stop. Gotta take this off. Always leave this in the truck. There's no use for it at home. Ain't about to be walking around like them other truck drivers, you know, with the headset on all day. Excuse my head. Gotta get my hair done today. like I said, it's something light today. Something light, something easy. Got that other little today, which is this the water, but it's only going like 5 or 6 miles or something like that. Got that for 500. Put some, man, that tire, them tires. Oh, that little must be just that heavy. Yeah, that's how I get cold at backing, man. Backing in tight spots. That's how you get better. Trust me, this spot is tight. Hold up. Let me show you where I had that squeeze in there. I had to squeeze in there. Right there. They got this right here. And they got the truck right here. It's a tight spot, man. Tight ass spot. Time to go home now until later, until tomorrow. Or in the morning. Appreciate y'all checking my video out, man. Keep on hitting that subscribe button. Keep on hitting me up. Let me know what more y'all want me to talk about. All right, man.